So I filmed the beginning of this video before I dyed my hair black and before I got my new PC. So things look a little different here and there. My apologies. Like always, the side of my desk looks like a hot mess because I just threw everything over there that I'm currently working on or was working on in the past. Sorry for the crappy lighting here. We're trying to knock down our electricity bills so I don't use the lights until it's impossible to see. At first here, I am not sure how to start, and in the end, I don't really organize the desk as good as I could. I kinda got lazy at the end. I know I need to get marble cleaner to officially clean the desk, but it's something I don't really think about when I'm going grocery shopping or writing my list to go shopping. For some reason, I jumped straight into the living room space instead of going to my makeup hutch. Don't worry, I go back to my makeup hutch after a bit. Most of the bottles are Zach's. He likes to lay on the couch or play games in the living room and often leaves his empties around. I know that's something that needs to change, but that's up to him. I've tried talking to him about it before, but he's a mess. And we're back to the desk. This time because I have my PC now and I moved my laptop onto the side table. So the desk got majority of my work stuff and I did not organize it when I placed it there. This is a horrible angle, but it's the best I could do for this area. I haven't cleaned or organized my makeup hutch in a long time. It's about time I get to dusting and wiping it down. Probably the dustiest spot in my house, except for on top of the fridge, is the bookshelf that holds my TV and gaming consoles. It also needs a good organizing since I just leave discs sitting around on the shelves. My most cluttered bookshelf. I really need to find a way to organize this section better, but I don't have a lot of room to spread out my books or decorate my shelves. For the stairs, I have to use a scraper to get tears fur off the steps and floor. His fur really sinks into the cracks, but don't worry though, I don't show it, I do the entire stairway. I hope you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe.